Hi there, it's Martin, and thank you for getting your roadmap out of work stress. Now, I know that when we're in that work stress, we've got that massive to-do list, never-ending to-do list, trying to figure out how on earth we're going to get through it all, and it's kind of consumes us, consumes our every waking moment. And I know in that situation, it can sometimes feel really difficult because we don't think there's a way out. Or sometimes we just normalize it. We just go, well, this is just how it's got to be. Or sometimes we feel like it's a failing on our part. Maybe it's something to do with we can't cope. Or maybe we think it's something that's going to be so complicated and convoluted. It's like rocket science that we certainly don't have time and energy to spend learning. Well, I'm here to reassure you. The roadmap shows you that it's not rocket science and that there is a way out. I mean, to be honest, it took me 20 years battling stress in the corporate world to figure this stuff out. And actually, I went through burnout before figuring this stuff out. This stuff, it's the kind of stuff that gets taught after you burn out. And I just think that's so wrong. Because look, this stuff should be taught at schools, in universities, in colleges, in your inductions at work. But in the absence of that right now, it's my privilege to give you that roadmap, to show you that there is a way, to reassure you there is a way. And these 4 simple steps, and it is simple, it's just shifts in how you look at work, how you approach your workload, how you approach and focus your time, how you look at your everyday. Just simple shifts that make all the difference, not only to reduce your stress now, but in the future too. And the great thing about this is it means that you actually do better at work. You more productive. You make a bigger impact at work because of how you're approaching work. Plus, you get back time that you can spend with your family. So that's the whole premise of this. And look, you've taken action. You've got it. It's your first step. I'm so excited for you. Well done. Congratulations. And just let this be your first step. Don't let this be a download that stays on the shelf. So as an action taker, because that's what you are, I'd love to do something special for you. I'd love to offer you a free coaching call with me. Not a sales call, a free coaching call with me so that we can talk about your situation, how you're approaching work, what the challenges are, what you'd like things to look like, what's getting in your way, and see how we map over the roadmap into your situation. How do we use the 4 steps in your situation so that you can build momentum and start making the changes that you want? Because it is all about taking action, isn't it? We can't think or hope or dream our way out of this situation. So the fact you're taking action right now is fantastic. We've got the start. So just by offering you this free coaching call, it can be that next step to help you keep up the momentum and make sure that you take those steps forward so that you can stress less and dad more. There's a button below. It'll take you through to my calendar. There's dates and times available. You can book it right now. It would be an absolute privilege to speak with you and to keep that momentum up, keep that action going. In the meantime, check out the roadmap. I hope it gives you that reassurance that you're looking for. And I really do look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks.